Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your battery on a Ford Taurus 2017. First thing first, you want to open the trunk by pulling this lever right here and go around the front and open the hood. Hopefully you know how to do that already. So you want to look between there. Let me get some light under here so you can see what I'm talking about. So you want to pull this right there, pull that back like that, and you see that? So you lift the hood up after you pull that back, okay? And guys, this is gonna be the same thing for the 20 from 2009 all the way up to 2018. I think the 19 is different. No matter what year your car is, it's gonna be the same thing. From your car look like this, it's gonna be the same thing to change the battery. The older one take the different battery. The older one take 59 and this car took take 50 6 to 5. All right, so and it's gonna be all 10 millimeters, so you need to pull that off the cover. So you pull that back to expose. That's the positive and that's the negative right there. So it's gonna be all 10 millimeter. Go ahead and get your 10 millimeter socket. All right, so the battery holder is 10 millimeter nut, and the terminal, that's the negative. All right, so remove the negative. So the first thing first, you must remove your negative cable so you don't ground anything with the car, right? And if you don't have a drill, you can use a ratchet angle. That's when the drill do the same work. It's just that I'm at work and the time I'm working against time, so I use what's more convenient to me. I know you guys always complaining that I'm always using power tool, but sorry. Go ahead and remove that right there. That's one 10 millimeter nut. The second nut over there, 10 millimeter also. And remove that. Now it's time to lift up the red cover for the positive and remove the 10 millimeter that just loosen it. You don't have to remove it all the way, just take it up some where you can get the terminal to come off the. All right, so take that off. Take that off. Now we can lift out the battery because nothing is holding the battery, so we can go ahead and take that off. All right, so that's real nice right there. Everything's going good. As you see, got the new battery. Make sure if your terminal is clean, you clean it, and if it's dirty, you clean it, and if it's clean, you can go ahead and put the battery in. And once again, it's a 6 to 5 battery series. All right, make sure your positive is over there and negative is over there. So go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and put the battery in now so you guys can see. All right, and thank you guys for your love and support. If you're still here, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. There's no reason for you to be here and not supporting the channel this long. Give me a thumbs up. I've seen that I have a lot of views, but I'm not getting a lot of likes. So go ahead, give me some comments, give me some likes, subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. So go ahead now and put on back your battery cover, your battery holder I should say, and it's gonna be 10 millimeter. As you see, I dropped my one right there, so be careful not to drop yours. All right, so I go ahead and I get it and I retrieve it, tighten that down, tighten this down right here, and put on your negative cable last. So now it's time to remove the plastic cover from the positive side of the battery. So go ahead and remove that. Then I can go ahead and put back my terminal, and then I can tighten it back down with my 10 millimeter. Once again, it's all 10mm to take out this battery right here. It's really easy to do. Nothing complicated in doing it. So put that back on, tighten it down, double check your work, make sure everything is good. So now what you want to do is get your battery protector. This help with cut down on the corrosion from the battery. All right, so that's that, guys. And now I'm gonna go ahead and crank the car, because you guys always say crank the car after I do that. So I crank the car to show you that car start up fine. No lights on the dash. So just crank the car up and you'll see everything come on good. It's perfect. No lights on the dash, no check engine light, no light at all. So that's it. Once again, please like, comment, share, subscribe, donate to the channel if you want to. If you don't want to, I'm still grateful for your views. Go ahead and leave a like, give me a thumbs up, and peace.